Is instant gaming legit or a scam? If you're looking for discounted game keys online, chances are that you've come to the right platform. A platform promising huge savings on Steam, Epic Games, Origin, and console games. But is it legit or not? So let's see. Instant Gaming's website looks professional at glance. Categories are well organized, product images are clear, and the checkout process is straightforward. They accept multiple payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and even cryptocurrencies, which adds convenience for global users. The main draw, of course, is the price. Games are often significantly cheaper than original official stores, sometimes up to 30 to 50% off, which naturally raises questions about legitimacy. To test the platform, we purchased a popular Steam key. The transaction was smooth, the key was delivered almost instantly via email, and it worked perfectly upon activation. This shows that instant gaming can provide valid keys reliably. However, there are some important things, such as first, not all keys are created equal. Some are region locked, meaning they can only be activated in certain countries. Second, while most purchases are problem free, customer support can be slow during heavy traffic, making refunds or disputes clearly challenging. Users have reported delayed responses or complicated verification procedures, which is something to consider before making expensive purchases. Another consideration is that buying keys from third party sellers may technically violate platform policies. Although in practice most keys work fine, there's a small risk that the key could be revoked if sourced improperly. So caution is advised. At last, instant gaming is legit and reliable for budget conscious gamers, especially if you test with smaller purchases first. The service is ideal for those who want affordable games without needing a subscription or waiting for official store sales. It may have minor risks like region restrictions or delayed support. The platform delivers working keys most of the time, making it a trustworthy option in 2026. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.